Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upgrade your WIX website to the custom domain. So first of all, if you start creating WIX website, then it allows you create a free website using subdomain. So if you want to upgrade your website to the custom domain name, how you can do in WIX platform. So let me go in WIX Studio, and after that I have two websites listed here. So let me select one of the website, and now here you can see it's loading dashboard. Now let me scroll down, and here you can see you can connect a custom domain. So now you need to add a domain name that you like. For example, enable globalmarket.com. Then click here, let's go, and after that here you can see domain is available. Make sure that you have selected a unique domain name that should be available. After that, click it, make it yours. So if you want to get only domain, then you can select this option, but if you want to get the domain with a free premium plan, so it will include everything, and you will also get 14 days money back guarantee. Click here, then click on continue button, and after that here you can see these are the four packages that you can select. For the starting purpose, you can go with light package, and here you can see for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, as well as monthly membership is available. After that you need to check out, and then in this way you can easily upgrade your free website to the premium website.